It's so windy. It's absolutely Baltic as well. Before I do anything with the ball, definitely going to do a warm up. So we'll just do some dribbling or something. Ooh, definitely harder. That stormy state definitely took a toll on the pitch. The ball is gliding. Definitely not as fit as it used to be. And stretch. Oh, should have stretched before the game. Game? Definitely should have stretched before I started anything. But, you know, I'm going to do some long passing. The problem with this pitch. Very bobbly, my breath already. Very bobbly, so it's going to be a bit of a challenge. But yeah, let's go and set it up. We're going to put them over there because it's not very bobbly here, it's more flat. It's there, that's the problem. Well, yeah, definitely do it here. There's molehills as well, which is a problem on this channel. We bypass the bypass. What? We get past problems. Oh God, put 2 gates, and then do some passing, side foot passing, left foot passing, gliding, a bit of a chip. See how that goes. Should have brought out another camera. You can't see the cones. But you'll know if we get in or not. It's so bobbly. Wow, it's very warm. It's like chip. It's like chip. We're going to see how it glides on the floor. So it. A lot easier. Crossbar, do a crossbar shot. Let's do a crossbar shot, why not? I want to do a couple of crossbar shots or something. The pitch, it's bobbly, it's squelchy, I just can't really do much. There's a football pitch over there that I'm going to film on, but the training, so I can't. So I've had to stay on here, but it's pretty much unplayable. But I've got something else in mind actually. Don't know how good the camera's set up, but you know, first try. Nothing like them.